Hey guys, RTT back here for the video. Guys, today we're taking a look at the Zenit launcher. Now, based on what it looks like, it kind of looks like an iOS clone. So let's go ahead and start off with the setup of this launcher. So starting off right away, it does say at the very bottom here, just what you need, no distractions, power and memory efficient, no need for gestures. Okay. So you can choose your drawer style, obviously, drawer style for your apps, vertical, page, or cards. I'm going to go vertical here. Scroll bar style, dots, thumbs, lines, or none. Let's go ahead and go with dots. All right. You got your notifications indicator, widgets, hide status, and hide navigation bar. Choose other features. Okay, so show notifications. Okay, I see what it's saying. Okay. Click on that, and this is what we got. So it says you can access Zenit settings by long pressing on any app and scrolling to the bottom of the menu. And holy crap. Alright, so this is literally the screen, okay? This is the launcher. Now you might be like, wait, but where's the home screen? This is the home screen. So if you go and open it up all the way here, to all two screens here, you could see it now legitimately becomes an iPad in a way. I mean, legitimately becomes an iPad. But this is what the launcher is. Every single application you have is on your screen. There's no hidden drawers or this or that. It is literally all at once, just plastered on your screen. I'm going to go ahead and turn off my camera real fast so you guys can see. Right there. There we go. And yeah, this is literally what it is. Which honestly I think is very interesting. Side note real fast, guys. I've getting comments about how do I get these launchers. You just get the launchers from the Google Play Store. That's pretty much all you do. The Play Store. Go to the Play Store, download these launchers, and then go to settings. Set your home default launcher to whatever launch you want to, and that's all I do. So, like I said, this is what the initial launcher looks like. Obviously, the home. Let's go ahead and look now. If we scroll over to the left, right? You guys can see that. Let's go to the left here. We have add widget. So let's go ahead and click on that. And on your widget screen, you can go ahead and add Apple Music, Bing, Calendar, Chrome, Clock, Company, Porter, Drive, Edge, Gmail, Google, or any of these other widgets. So let's go ahead and let's add a random widget here. I'm going to go ahead and add Calendar. Let's do monthly view. Create widget. So this is what my widget will look like on my calendar view on this screen. So this is, like I said before, the only reason I say it looks like an iPad / iPhone or iOS is because of the right hand side. And if we go ahead, like I said before, make this in the phone mode, other than the fact there's like 1,000 billion trillion different applications on the screen right now, does this not look like iOS to you? You know what I'm saying? So, like, yes, you could say, like, well, there's a lot of applications, but you probably could, in a way, change this out and take away some applications. And if you did that, you could probably make rows of 4. I did see somebody, or not did see somebody, I saw that on this picture they had for this, they actually had that exact thing. So let's go to system settings. Actually, not system settings. I want to go to app settings. Okay, let's try this again. I think it said, yeah, Zenit. There we go. Right here. So let's go to app drawer, cards, horizontal page. Okay. 5x6. You can make this, what is it? 4x4. Make it 4x4. Does that not look like iOS to you? Obviously, like I said, if you really wanted to, right? Let me show you guys how much it's going to look like iOS. Okay. Let's go to Zenit settings, right? Let's set this by horizontal pages. Yeah. It's like an iPhone. It's like an iPhone. It's like any other, pretty much any other device you want. Like, this is literally like an iPhone. Let's go ahead and set that. Bam, we got my Apple Music right here. And now I have my whole entire launcher. We'll go ahead and make it into a gigantic thing. It's the same concept like before, obviously, because it just fits all in one screen. But me personally, I probably rock it in this kind of mode, like either phone mode or vertical mode, because in my opinion, it looks very good in that mode. It kind of does remind me of an iPhone, what an iPhone would look like. So I call this an iOS, kind of an iOS clone, because in my opinion, it looks like an iOS clone. I know that personally speaking, and by the way, first off, it's very optimized for the Surface Duo. Every single orientation I put it in, it works perfectly fine, no issue at all. But like I said, you know, is it an iOS clone? No. Does it look like one? Yes. And could it be confused with one? Absolutely. But it's obviously not designed to be an iOS clone. It just has that resemblance based on the fact that, of course, as you do stuff, you can make this look exactly like an iOS. Anyway, though, let's go to the settings. Other than that, you can set the dock. If you wanted to dock background, you can sort the different applications. You can do gestures and buttons, app drawer, let's see what that is. Hide status bar, obviously that is for, you know, the premium model of this. Upgrade to Zenit Pro, whatever it's called. So again, like I said, I think it's interesting. I really do like this launcher. I was messing around with it earlier, just see how it looked and everything like that. So I wanted to make a video because of that. And I gotta say, out of 10, I'm gonna give this a solid 8. I think this is a really, really good launcher. I think, and if you kind of do like that iOS type look where it's 4 applications, you're gonna like this launcher. It's very minimal. It's not minimalistic at all. It's the opposite of minimalistic. It's literally in your face. But in my opinion, to have all your applications like an iOS device, if you have it in phone mode, I mean, you guys see, it looks very cool. I like it. But with that in mind, if you did enjoy this video, hit the like button down below. See you guys next one. Peace out.